Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's acoustic felt adjustable ceiling lights. The package includes one accessory kit, one cable clamp, one product lid, one sponge retaining ring, one light channel, 2 packs of sponge light grillies, First, remove the 2 mounting screws from the top cover of the product and set them aside safely. Then remove the metal plate that secures the product inside the top cover. Next, remove the coil ring from the top cover. Next, thread the wires from the product's light channel through the coil ring you just removed from the top cover. Thread the end of the cord through the top cover of the product. Tighten the top cover coil retaining ring. Thread the transparent cable tied through the loop and secure it by pulling it back through. Place the product's mounting plate where you want to install the product. Then secure it using the screws included in the accessory kit. Connect the product's power cord to your power source. Route the wires into the junction box and close the cover. Reinstall the 2 mounting screws from the product's top cover that were removed earlier. Install the light bulb you provided into the light fixture. Install one foam light grid. Then attach the foam mounting ring to the bottom of the first foam light grid. Install all remaining foam light grids, aligning them with the top and bottom tabs. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.